The best programming language for interviews is the one that you know best, but there is a caveat. Not all companies allow you to do the interview in the language of your choice. For example, if you're applying for a C# developer position, it's most likely that they want you to know C#. Yes, there are exceptions. If you're just too good in whatever you're doing and your resume is great, then it's a different story. Also, if you're applying for a front-end position, then most likely you'll be stuck with JavaScript and/or TypeScript. The choice of the programming language that you want to perform your interview in really comes into place when you're interviewing at one of the big companies, such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix, whatever. And if you're applying for a backend and not front-end position, then your choices are pretty much limitless. And you should probably stick with what you know best. But if you know 2 or more languages on about the same level, then I would recommend that you actually use Python. And the reason for that is to reduce the amount of code you actually have to write. For example, in Python, to define a new method, all you need to do is write the word def, the name of the function, and then just write your code. Compare that to Java, where in addition to the method definition being already too verbose, you also have to deal with brackets, and if you're performing your interview on a whiteboard, you have to keep track of the opening and closing brackets. Yes, Python has a problem with white spaces, but that's not really a big deal, because you can write it as plain English. And obviously, if you're a front-end developer, you're kinda stuck with JavaScript and TypeScript, so make sure you know those in and out. And if you're just starting out and you don't even know whether to go into front-end or back-end, then watch the next video.